Tired of endless scrolling with nothing to show for it? What if you could turn that time into real income? This video unlocks the secrets to creating cartoon animation short, engaging videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok that go viral and start filling your pockets. Forget lengthy content. The future is bite-sized and monetizable. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to craft money-making shorts that have viewers hooked and ready for more. First, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Write a 3D animation boy and girl love story set in apocalypse days. I want to write 3D animation image prompts for each scene. This prompt will generate a story with image prompts. You can modify it according to your needs. I will provide you with this prompt in the video description. Now that we have the script with image prompts for each scene, it's time to generate an AI voice. Copy the script and go to 11 Lab. Paste the script and click on the Generate Speech button, then download your voice.
The city is in ruins, with crumbling skyscrapers, broken roads, and overgrown plants reclaiming the urban landscape.
Next, copy the description from ChatGPT and convert it into a voice file. Repeat the same process for the whole script. It's time for AI image generation. You can use Meta AI in your WhatsApp, but in this video, I will use Decohere AI. Open a new tab and search for Decohere AI. Open the first website and create a free account using your Gmail. After logging in, we need to adjust the aspect ratio of the image, like wide or TikTok. Next, paste your script. This will generate an image in real time. Keep checking each image and look for the best image suitable for your video. When you find it, click on the plus button to add it to the library. Now, copy the next image prompt and generate images from Decoherence AI. Repeat the same process for generating and adding images to the Decoherence library. When you're done, download all the images from your library. Now that we have AI voice and AI images, it's time for animation. To animate these images, go to Google and search for Runway ML. Open the Runway ML website and create a free account. After creating the account, click on the Image to Video option from the popular AI tools list. Next, upload your first image. In the prompt, you can paste the description for the video. You can use the description generated from ChatGPT, but I will leave it empty. Just click on the Generate button, then delete this image and upload your second image. And again, click on the Generate button. Repeat the same process for all images and wait for the rendering results. Our videos are ready. Now download all these videos from Runway ML. The next step is video editing. Open CapCut and import all voice and video files. Now, drag the videos onto the timeline, making sure to keep them in sequence. Next, to remove the watermark from the video, simply scale each video to remove the watermark. Then, go to Transitions and apply a free transition. After that, add the voice file.
The city is in ruins, with crumbling skyscrapers, broken roads, and overgrown plants reclaiming the urban landscape.
You may notice that your voice file length is too long compared to your video length, which is only 5 seconds. Select each video and decrease the speed to match the length of your voice. Next, apply different kinds of effects to make your video more professional. Then, go to text and use auto caption to generate captions. Apply any free template to your video. Moving on to background music, if you're uploading the video on YouTube, I recommend using music from the YouTube library. If you're uploading on TikTok, you can use CapCut Music. Video editing is the most important part of video creation, so spend as much time as needed on it. After that, export your video and upload it to social media sites. Here is a demo video, but don't skip it. After this demo, I will provide tips for YouTube monetization.
The city is in ruins with crumbling skyscrapers, broken roads, and overgrown plants reclaiming the urban landscape. The boy finds an old warehouse, its massive doors hanging ajar. Inside, it's dimly lit, with rusted machinery and stacks of discarded boxes. In the distance, there's a flickering light suggesting someone else is here. The boy moves carefully, weapon at the ready. As the boy investigates, he discovers a girl, also in her late teens, hiding among the crates. She's holding a flashlight and a small knife, looking equally cautious. Their eyes meet, and there's a moment of surprise and tension, followed by a reluctant truce.
Maximize your YouTube monetization. Enhancing videos with authentic voice, animation, and captivating sounds. First up, using your own voice in videos rather than an AI voice can significantly increase viewer engagement and authenticity, leading to better monetization. Adding animation to your videos not only grabs attention but also keeps the audience interested throughout, making them stay longer, which is great for ad revenue. Don't underestimate the power of background music. A good track can uplift your content's mood and make it more appealing, keeping viewers hooked. Integrating sound effects can enhance the storytelling experience of your videos. They add a layer of professionalism and can make scenes more impactful. Interact with your viewers through comments. Engaging with your audience builds community and loyalty, encouraging more views and longer watch times. Consistently analyze your YouTube analytics to understand what works. Tailor your content strategy based on the insights to maximize viewer retention and ad clicks. Remember, content quality reigns supreme. High-quality, original content is more likely to be promoted by YouTube, leading to increased views and revenue. Stay updated with YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines. Ensuring your content complies will help in avoiding demonetization and secure your earnings. Lastly, patience is key. Growing a YouTube channel is a gradual process, but with persistence and implementation of these tips, you will see success. Keep creating.